Hello amigos, recently bought this really cool smartwatch from TAGG and trust me, it has some really cool features. Let me unbox it and show you. The watch comes in a very cool box. Inside the box you will get the watch and the strips. The watch weighs only 21 grams. Let me just assemble the watch first. And finally the watch is assembled. You have to download an app from the Play Store called TAGG Neo. Let me just configure the app first. And if you are installing the app for the first time, so just you have to add your device. You will get multiple watch faces in the app to select. Let me just select one watch face and show you. And you won't believe me, all these features I got for a decent price range of $13.99 only. The watch has 1.69-inch display and it has 60 sports modes. So if your budget is low and you want a nice smartwatch, you can definitely give this watch a try. Amazon link I have given in the description. Go check it out guys.